trouble, trouble. So put your rose-colored glasses on and party on. Turn it up, it's your favorite song. Dance, dance, dance to the distortion. Turn it up, keep it on repeat. Stumbling around like a wasted zombie. Yeah, we think we're free. Drink, this one's on me. We're all trained to the rhythm, to the rhythm, to the rhythm. So put your rose-colored glasses on and party on. Turn it up, it's your favorite song. Dance, dance, dance to the distortion. Turn it up, keep it on repeat. Stumbling around like a wasted zombie. Yeah, we think we're free. Drink, this one's on me. We're all trained to the rhythm, to the rhythm, to the rhythm.
Right. Jasmine, how did you feel about that song selection?
I love the songs. I just, thought it would have been great to show another side of my personality.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Conroy.
You look nice, but I'm not sure that song, it was a fun song, but I'm not sure it fit you or your voice fit it because it didn't connect out here as much and your eyes were kind of wandering, although they were looking out here, so nothing came out here to us.
Aline.
Yeah. I'm in agreement with what Conroy just said. You look great. You look like a pink flower, just blooming and beautiful and radiant. And you're a good singer. It's not that you cannot sing. I don't think that was a great song choice for you. I think there were more popular songs that you could have chosen that would have gotten us to move a little more. And I think that you would have really understood more so that you could have delivered better.
Anthony.
Everybody makes the same point. You look great. You really look stunning. But there's a missing element there that sort of, it gets in the way of us liking what it is you do. I didn't like it at all.
Thanks, judges.